Dealing with a drug seeking patient or a demanding patient or an angry patient, this is very common scenario in the exam because it's very challenging for a medical student or even a practicing doctor to deal with such people. So there are 10 things you need to follow, and let me just go through all of them. I will explain the headings first. Then if you want to know more about this or a detailed video, this mind map and the cheat sheets, click the link and you will get all these things for free. So this is how you need to deal with them. Maintain a calm demeanor. Actively listen to them. Do not interrupt them because they will get angry easily. Establish rapport and show empathy towards them. Clarify their concerns. Always ask open-ended questions. Address their misconceptions. Explore various treatment options available. Collaboration and shared decision making, establish boundaries, expectations, referral to addiction specialists where appropriate, and clearly document everything because these people can cause problems. So, these are the 10 things you need to know. If you would like to know a detailed video about this, click the link somewhere on this page and you can get this mind map and cheat sheets and checklist for you.